Hi, what's up, Gala coin holder? Gala is completely on the moon, my friend, in this time, and people are starting investing very highly, my friend, and Gala coin, and definitely this time, absolutely on the trend on Twitter and Instagram, also, my friend, Facebook pages, everything, my friend, is going very, my friends, highly promoting this coin, my friends. So I can't expect this, my friends. As you can see here, the price is also very starting very highly increasing. You can see here, my friends, 0.1281 USD dollar this time they will hit now, and 41.58% in last 24 hours the price is increased now. So definitely, my friends, day by day the price is increasing, so absolutely, my friend, it's a very good chance to we are earn, my friend, from this. But a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends, in those days they are starting investing, but definitely they are doing very huge mistakes. So I just, my friends, please notify you to don't do this mistake, otherwise you will be lost now. Kindly subscribe this channel, my friend. If you want to earn money in a crypto, kindly must subscribe this channel, because not today, every day this channel will update you, guide you, and give you some best altcoin, my friends, to earn money in a crypto. So my brother, this time the Gala, if we will talk about the Gala, my friends, the market cap, as you can see here, 42.74% increase, fully diluted market cap, 42.74% increase, volume last 24 hour, 7.95%, my friend, increase. Oh my goodness, it's a very good, my friend. You can see here, so volume market cap, you can see here, 0.771, and circulating supply, you can see here, 6.98 billion, my friend. 6.98 billion. So it's a very good now, my friend. All right, so if we check out, my friend, this time you can see here, if you want to buy it, my friends, so this is very easy now. Just go now and buy it. I hope, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. So this time in last 24-hour chart, my friend, is on the screen. So this chart is clearly, my friend, you can see here, show you to the price will increasing now. Definitely, my friends, every coin will moving in this circulation, but not like this jump, my friends, they will take. So absolutely, it's a very good profitable coin. Please, if you also want to get a profit in a very short time, now this is one of the good coin to invest now. So please invest. I hope in upcoming time the price will increase. So see you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.